How to nickname someone on Fortnite. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to customize your Fortnite friends list or making your squad easier to recognize, then you can easily nickname them. First of all, launch open Fortnite game on your device, and once you're inside this page, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right corner and then tap on the two human icon at the top, and from the bottom, you'll be able to see your friend list. Click on one of your friends' name or their profile avatar, and then from the expanded menu, click on Add Nickname. Type in a nickname for your friend and click Done. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a nickname for your friend. Now a new nickname will appear in your friend list. Nicknames are only visible to you, so feel free to get creative without worrying about others seeing them. So that's how you can keep your Fortnite friend organized like a pro by changing their nickname just like that. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.